Today I am going to share with you how to mount the Insta360 One X inside a car so you can make a video that looks like this. So if you want to do Top Gear style reviews, then this setup is very ideal. For this rig I'm going to use the Manfrotto Super Clamp, and with this I don't worry about my One X falling because this is the most robust clamp in the industry. And to attach things to the clamp I'm going to use the Manfrotto Gold Stud. I am also going to use the Invisible Selfie Stick so I can mount the One X away from the clamp. This is how you set it up. Step 1. Insert the Gold Stud into the clamp. To do this, push down the metal button on the side of the clamp and drop the Gold Stud into place. Then twist the screw to tighten it. Step 2. Mount the clamp onto the stem of your headrest. Make sure the Gold Stud is facing the direction you want the One X to be in and tighten it into place. Step 3. Screw the Invisible Selfie Stick into the One X. Make sure the tip is screwed in securely. Step 4. Mount the Invisible Selfie Stick onto the Gold Stud. Make sure it is secure. And that's it. If you need to make any adjustments, then go into the back seat, loosen the clamp, point the selfie stick in the direction you would like and tighten the clamp again. Turn the One X on, connect it to your phone, press record and take it for a spin.